The 100 Soil Health Living Labs and Lighthouses are already partnerships of individuals, organizations, and relevant actors, but they cannot work alone. So it's really fundamental that individuals, researchers, soil experts, or businesses can interact with the living labs and lighthouses so to work together for the greater impact of their work. On one side, all the valuable actors from researchers, local governments, businesses, and so on can interact, work together, and find the relevant opportunities for evolving, for example, their technical solutions, to have them validated through the living labs and their testing sites, or to contribute to joint research in view of a long-term collaboration, new partnerships beyond the duration of the mission. And on the other side, we will ensure to provide always up-to-date information on the activities of the living labs, how they contribute to the impact of healthy soils, so that citizens can also be informed, identify what's going on in their region, and be engaged in the bigger co-creation effort of the Soil Health Living Labs and Lighthouses.